My friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and from the bottom of my heart, I, along with my team, want to tell you happy Thanksgiving. As we all know, this year has been ultra insane, crazy, scary. Just a lot of emotions are all running wild in all of us just because there's so much uncertainty and everything. And it's just been a year like no other. And especially in all of our lifetimes, as well as all the plans we had for this year, all of us are completely different than they were in January and February. But you know what? We're getting through it. We're getting through it together. We're keeping our sanity by crafting and having fun and getting together weekly with our no makeup Mondays and our crafting corners on Thursdays. And you know what? We will survive this. We are tough. We are wonderful. We're humans. We're God's creations. We can get through all of this. So as we get together for Thanksgiving with our friends and family, or maybe it's a smaller get together this year. I know ours will be a much smaller get together this year. I want you to just sit down for just one extra second and look around the table and think of how thankful you are for the people that are in your lives. God designed us not to be just one person. He brought Eve for Adam because he was lonely. We need people, and we need these people in our lives. And it's just, I just want you to just take a moment. And yes, our family drives us crazy sometimes, especially in quarantine when you're stuck in a house together for so long. When it comes down to it, it's all about the people, and it's about love. And you know what? We just need to love each other and give each other an extra hug. Wear a mask if you need to, but an extra hug, and just tell people you're thankful for them. And you know what? We're all going to get through this together. Next year's coming, and it's got to be better than this, right? But you know what? We need to be thankful for our blessings. And you know what? Most of us have food on our tables. We have clothes on our backs. We have roofs over our heads. And you know what? God loves us. And that's all that's important, right? So thank you so much for being a valued member of our family. We're thankful. Ken and I are thankful for each and every one of you. And just stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you. Bye-bye.